Hi, come with me. I'm going to show you the Sharon office now. So we walk up to the front door.
Thank you.
Sorry. You can take the elevator right here or the stairs and you go down one flight. And the office is closed today, but we're going to go ahead and take a look. Come on in. So this is what you walk into when you come into the Sharon office. Let's take a tour. This is where our very friendly front office staff sits. And this is our waiting room. Oh, this is the wall of flowers. And this is most likely the office that you will see the audiologist in. And walk down further. This is the office that we do the hearing testing in. This is our soundproof booth. It's all set up, ready. And this is where the audiologist sits to do the hearing testing. And we have our room that we do all the magic with the hearing aids. We've recently redone the floors here with the rug, painted, did some improvements. So we'd be happy to welcome you. Come on down and see us.